Okay, so I'm Lauren and this is Kaylee, and we're going to do a Cooking with TPACK quest for my technology class. So she's going to pick out 3 tools, and number 1 is going to be slice hard cheese. For number 2, she's going to have to make whipped cream. For number 3, she's going to have to chop some fruit for a fruit salad. Number 4, we're going to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And number 5, she's going to slice some vegetables for a vegetable tray. Okay, so you picked a fork and some tongs. So we're in our comfy clothes because it's like 8:30 at night, 8 o'clock, and we're making dinner. So Kaylee here is my partner, and she's going to pick out of one of our 5 options out of our fancy Durham Bulls hat. And here you go. You want me to read it out? Yeah, show it to them and read it out.
Make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I gotta make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with tongs, a fork, and a bowl. Here we go. So I can do it on the counter.
I guess. I don't know. I guess so.
Okay. Really? I can do this with my hands, right?
Yeah. Oh, our potatoes for dinner are ready.
Somebody's blowing up the phone too. Fork or tongs?
Whatever you want to use.
Can I pick it up like this too?
There you go.
Okay. Easier part. Can do this. This is like
Dinner's in like 5 minutes.
what?
Dinner's in like 5 minutes. We're eating steak and you're making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
The bread's all wet now.
Just put it in the sink.
Can I do that?
I guess. Why not?
You don't know.
It doesn't say. It doesn't give you rules. It just says make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
It's gonna be everywhere.
So you're eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in a bowl?
Bon appetit.